Right guys, let's take a look at this double-ended, diamond-tipped sharpening tool from Laser Tools. Place the end that you don't want to use into the holding tool, knurled end so we can actually tighten it up. This is a flat surface so we can use this for sharpening all manner of knives, like so. Being diamond tipped, we don't need many strikes of the knife across the tool to ensure the blade is very, very sharp. The other end of the tool is a rounded affair. We can use this end for more intricate areas like rounded blades. These are battery cable cutting tools, and with this section here being curved, the rounded section of the diamond tip file makes it easy to get in and sharpen this surface. Another great use for this sharpening tool is cleaning trailer sockets. This tool makes the job very easy. Once we finish with it, we simply turn it round, pop it back in, and there we go, it can be stored back in the box.